of the wagon is broken. Presenting radio's ace groaner, crooner, Rudy Valley.
Hi, hello everybody. This is Rudy Valley bird chasing and introducing a song that has everyone up in the air. It floats through the air with the greatest of ease, the daring young man on the flying trapeze. His actions are graceful, all the girls he does please, and my love he has stolen away. Oh, once I was happy, but now I'm forlorn, like an old coat that is tattered and torn, left in this wide world to weep and to mourn, betrayed by a maid in her teens. Oh, this maid that I loved, she was handsome, and I tried all I knew how to please, but I never could please her 1/4 so well as the man on the flying trapeze. Oh, he flows through the air with the grace of ease, the daring young man on the flying trapeze. His actions are graceful, all the girls he does please, and my love he has stolen away.